Nah, it's a dead fish. No, I can't see it. I got this glare right here. Just have a trout looking at mine right now. Come on, baby. Take it. I have 2 or 3 of them right here thinking about it. They've missed it twice. Come on. There he is. Give me that net, please. This is the bank I was telling you about. It's harder. You want to net them? I know, they're big in here. I told you that. Yeah, they'll come off easily, so hopefully you get a good net shot them.
Nice one, dude.
Good boy. I told you they're big in here. That's how you start. I told you there's 3 of them chasing it. I've seen it. Work it slow, baby. Slow moving baits is the key. So hopefully you don't get the hook on them because my hooks, there we go. Nice little fish. Let's release them. This is why we need this net, because imagine trying to holster him up. Yeah. There's one. Decent, pretty colors. See, that's a good picture, I think. Like when they're in your mouth, you have them in that like that.
Yeah, I like that.
People don't like that as their image for some reason. Let's keep moving. Try right here. Sometimes they fall over. Somebody puts them right here. There's one. Look at that. Yeah. Told you sometimes they put them in here. Oh, he's pulling. He's in that current. He feels like a ton of bricks. Let me see if I can get him over here. He could work over here. There he goes. Let's work him over here so that we can get down on this on here and get him. I don't like hoisting them over. It hurts the fish. There we go, guys. Another fish in the little spot right there, huh? Whoop, look at that, hook came right out. I knew it would. Here we go. And if you want to get it, I just said about not catching a brook in here. Here's a brook. It's nice to have somebody net for you.
That's a nice fish.
Look how fat he is. He's a stocky, for sure. Look how fat it is.
Oh boy.
He's pushing the weight. Oh my God, he got that in there. Let me give me the old hemi statsies so we keep him alive. Because he's being a pond fish. I don't know if you know this, but like this pond stuff, they're really sensitive. That's why they die. So many of them die in here. Thank you, sir. There's one. Lost two, caught another one. Get the net for that one, please. Can you net him too, please? You might as well just come down here.
Brownie.
Complete the cycle. Oh, hold up here. Hold up, because you'll knock it out of him. Now get him. Oh, pretty. Good thing my headlight was on again. They're down here, dude. Well, I caught that last one, and I lost two all between him. Yeah, there's four that quick. The fish is still in there, Dibby. I don't know what you were doing. Yeah. Got one follow. There we go. There's one. He followed it. I watched him. It's a nice one. A nice little ledge here. Hopefully we get him in. It's nice brown. Ah, gorgeous brown. Look at that pretty bad boy. Huh? That's a good one.